When you search for the best Montessori toys for kids, everything looks the same. Same bright colors, same educational claims. But to find the ones that really ignite your child's creativity and learning, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, YAMP Kitchen Set. First up is the YAMP 13 Pieces Montessori Kitchen Toy Set, priced at $15.29. What caught my attention? The sheer variety of tools designed for little chefs. If you want your kids to explore cooking skills and fine motor skills, this is worth a serious look. This set comes with a wooden knife, cooking knife, crinkle cutter, and even cookie cutters. That means your child can safely chop fruits and veggies, all while learning about meal prep. Here's why this matters. Engaging kids in cooking fosters creativity and helps them develop essential life skills. With a stellar 4.7-star rating from over 3,300 reviews, parents are raving about how it keeps their kids entertained. Now, some folks mention that the knives can be a bit flimsy after extended use. It's more about the experience and learning rather than the perfect tool. So if your child is curious about cooking, this set is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you want to introduce your little ones to cooking and encourage their creativity. Skip this one if you're looking for something more about pretend play rather than actual cooking. For the price, it's a great investment in your child's learning. Product number 2, Airbition Talking Flash Cards. Next, we've got the Airbition Talking Flash Cards for $9.99. What grabbed my eye? The colorful illustrations and sounds. If you're looking to boost your toddler's vocabulary and cognitive skills, this one deserves your attention. These flashcards feature 224 words covering animals, vehicles, and food. The sound-image combo helps kids learn effectively, especially if they're in speech therapy. Plus, the rechargeable battery lasts up to 4 hours, which is pretty impressive for on-the-go learning. With over 8,400 positive reviews and a 4.6-star rating, parents appreciate its educational value that keeps screen time at bay. However, a few parents reported that the sound can be slightly low at times. But honestly, that's not a huge drawback. Adjusting the volume can easily fix it. This is a must-have if you're looking for a fun, engaging way to teach your child new words. Skip this one if your child is already overwhelmed with learning tools, though. For just under $10, it's a great educational tool that packs a punch. Product number 3, Grarain Busy Board. Now let's talk about the Grarain Busy Board for $21.99. What caught my eye was its interactive design. If you need a travel-friendly toy that keeps toddlers engaged, this is definitely worth considering. This busy board features multiple interactive switches and colorful LED lights. The design allows children to explore numbers and colors, which is perfect for fostering fine motor skills and cognitive development. It's compact and designed for on-the-go fun, making it a lifesaver during outings. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,000 reviews, parents love how it keeps their kids busy while they handle errands. However, it requires 2 AAA batteries, which aren't included. Some parents found that a bit inconvenient. But honestly, if you're out and about, it's a small price to pay for keeping your child happy. This is perfect for families who travel often and want to provide educational entertainment. Skip it if you need something more stationary for home play, though. For the price, it offers fantastic value as an educational toy. Product number 4, SOCBTNSO Busy Cube. Next is the SOCBTNSO Busy Cube, priced at $11.99. I was impressed by its variety of activities. If you're looking for something that enhances fine motor skills in a fun way, this one is a solid option. The Busy Cube features 6 different activities designed to engage your toddler's senses while promoting skill development. With a 4.7-star rating from 2,500 reviews, parents appreciate how it strengthens parent-child bonds while keeping kids entertained. Some parents mention that the cube can be a bit lightweight, making it easy to knock over. Here's the thing though, for young kids, it's all about the engagement and interaction. This is perfect for you if you want a portable learning tool. Skip this if you're looking for something heavier duty, as it may not withstand rough play. For the price, it's a great gift option that supports cognitive development. Product number 5, Playact Learning Toy. Finally, we have the Playact learning toy for $21.99. What struck me was the interactive train design. If you want a toy that promotes counting and sorting while encouraging imaginative play, this is something to consider. This set includes a train with detachable barns and farm animals, making it great for role-play activities. It encourages creativity and helps kids learn numbers through play. With a 4.7-star rating and 2,400 reviews, parents love the interactive features that promote family bonding. However, a few users noted that the train could be a bit tricky to assemble. But honestly, once it's set up, it becomes a fantastic tool for shared play. This is perfect for you if you're looking to foster creativity and learning simultaneously. Skip it if your child prefers simpler toys that don't require assembly. For the investment, it's a great way to engage and educate your child. To wrap it up, we started with the YAMP kitchen set for hands-on cooking, then moved on to the Ambition talking flashcards for vocabulary building. The Grarin Busy Board followed, perfect for travel, and then the SOCBTNSO Busy Cube for fine motor skills. Finally, the Playact learning toy brought imaginative play into the mix. Each one brings something unique to the table, so you can't go wrong with any of these fantastic Montessori options.